Good day mga kabuwis. Good day, good day, good day. Tax season again, no? Be compliant. Multo yan pag di ka nag-comply. Hindi ka man mape-penalize ngayon, pero for sure, dahil multo yan, hahabulin ka forever hanggat hindi yan nasa-settle. Okay? Alright, so let's start with this. Confusion and question now is, I am an employee. Am I required to file a separate ITR or income tax returns? Let's have this one answered now. So, as always, we'll be answering this with legal basis. Saan ba nakabase yung sagot natin dyan? So, let's start with this. Let's go with Republic Act number 10963, or also known as the Tax Reform in Acceleration and Inclusion, or the TRAIN Law, signed into law last 2018, no? Specifically Section 14. Ano ba ang sinasabi ng Section 14? Okay? This is a new section designated the Section 51-A of the NIRC as amended is hereby inserted to read as follows. Tignan natin. Section 51A, a substituted filing of income tax returns by employees receiving purely compensation income. Individuals receiving purely compensation income, regardless of amount, from only one employer in the Philippines for the calendar year, the income of which has been withheld correctly by the said employer, tax due equals tax withheld, shall not be required to file an annual income tax return. The certificate of withholding tax filed by the respective employers, duly stamped received by the BIR, shall be tantamount to the substituted filing of the income tax returns of the said employees. Yan yung mismong provision no, ng batas. Now, this TRAIN law has IRR, or also known as the Implementing Rules and Regulations. Saan natin makikita yon? May we direct you with the Revenue Regulations number 8, 2018, no? This implements the amended provisions on income tax pursuant to no less than the Republic Act number 10963, or the TRAIN law. So let's dive deeper with this provision. Specifically, Section 9. Section 9 ng Revenue Regulations number 8-2018, no? Ang title ng Section 9 na ito ay individuals not required to file income tax returns. So, who are this exempted? Ito yung apat po. Ibig sabihin kapag exempted ka, yung 2316 po, yun na po yung pinaka-ITR. Ipapatatak po yun ng employer mo, tapos ibibigay po sa inyo yung isang kopya. Alright? So, yun na po yung magiging ITR ninyo. Again, kapag kasama ka dito sa apat na ito, hindi ka na po kailangang mag-file ng separate income tax returns. The 2316 will suffice. Right? Okay. First, ang una dito ay an individual. Ito, taxable income does not exceed 250,000 for the year. So that is an individual earning purely compensation income whose definitely taxable income does not exceed 250,000 pesos. Okay, for that particular year. Bakit? Kasi kapag hindi naman po lumalagpas ng 250,000 for the year or for the taxable year ang iyong kita, you will not be paying any tax naman. Alright? So parang useless. Okay? Okay. Yung certificate of withholding tax na final ng respective employers ninyo na duly stamped received by Bureau of Internal Revenue shall tantamount dun sa substituted filing of your income tax returns by yung mga employees na qualified. Alright? So again, first is kapag ang income mo does not exceed 250,000 pesos for that particular taxable year. Ano naman yung sumunod? Itong pangalawa, no? Yung pangalawang circle, no? Ang individual na ang income has been correctly withheld by his employer, provided that such individual has only one employer for that particular taxable year. Yung certificate of withholding tax filed by their respective employers, duly stamped received pa rin by the Bureau of Internal Revenue, shall again tantamount dun sa substituted filing of the income tax returns by the said employees. Again, kunwari, di ba? Empleyado ka, sumusweldo ka naman, tapos nababawasan naman ng tama yung sweldo mo as employee because of the employer-employee relationship, hindi ka na rin po kailangang mag-file ng separate income tax returns. Again, kailangan nating diinan yung sweldo mo po. Okay? Kasi there are companies, no, na sinasama sa sweldo kasi yung, or sinasabay sa sweldo yung other benefits like other benefits or other income katulad ng commissions, ng incentives, o kung ano-ano pa bang reimbursements. Alright? So may ganon. Ang tinutukoy lang po natin dito ay yung basic salary mo. Alright? Basic salary or yung salary mo because of the employer-employer relationship. Okay? Kung nataksan ka naman ng tama, so that would warrant you not to file anymore a separate income tax return. Alright? Yung pangatlo naman po, yan yung an individual, no, whose sole income has been subjected to final withholding taxes. Ibig sabihin na, kunwari, investor ka lang sa isang domestic corporation, tapos naka-receive ka ng dividendo, no? So yung dividendo mo po na yon, you are no longer required to file that in your separate income tax return kasi po yung dividendo na yan, nasubjectan na yan sa final tax. Okay, final tax, nataksa na siya finally. Okay? So, hindi mo na siya pwedeng, or hindi mo na siya kailangang i-deklara pa sa yung separate income tax return. Okay na po yun. Alright? Lastly, yung minimum wage earner, no? As defined in various regulations na ng BIR at ng DOLE, no? Yung certificate of withholding tax na na-file nung respective employers, no? Duly stamped received again by the Bureau of Internal Revenue shall tantamount dun sa substituted filing of income tax returns by the said employees. Alright? So, kapag, ulitin lang natin, kapag ang taxable income mo hindi sumobra sa 250,000 sa isang employer, hindi ka na po pwedeng or hindi ka na kailangang mag-file ng separate income tax return. Pangalawa, kapag naman yung salary mo because of employer-employee relationship, tama namang nabawasan, na-computan ng tax at na-remit, hindi ka na din po kailangang mag-file ng iyong separate income tax returns. Pangatlo, kapag ang sole income mo lang or source of income mo ay yung mga income na nasubject ka na ng final withholding tax. At last is kapag ikaw ay minimum wage earner. Alright? Gets ba yun? Okay. Pero wait, no? Ang last paragraph nitong provision na to, no? In all cases, no? Kapag dalawa or higit pa ang iyong employer mo sa iisang taon, automatic po na kailangan mo mag-file ng separate ITR. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Kahit nung taxable income mo, hindi lumagpas sa 250,000 pesos, pero dalawa employer mo for 2021 naman. Kailangan mo pa bang mag-file ng separate ITR? The question is yes. Required ka kasi dalawa po yung employer mo during the taxable year. Alright? So, kunwari, nag-resign ka sa company A ng April, tapos nag-apply ka at natanggap ka sa company B, nag-start ka ng trabaho June. So, there were two employers, no? So, in that particular manner, you are required to file your separate income tax return. Alright? Okay. So, that also means na kapag nag-receive ka o nakakatanggap ka po ng other income other than your salary, example, may negosyo ka na sole proprietorship, or may natanggap kang incentive, professional fee, commission na nakapangalan sa'yo habang ikaw ay employed, wala pong pagdududa, no doubt, you need to file po your separate income tax returns. Alright? Sana klaro yon mga kabuwis, no? Alright? So don't be confused. Kung alanganin ka sa paggawa ng iyong ITR, get assistance from accountants. Ang dami dyan, no? Huwag nang pahirapan, no? Huwag na natin din pahirapan yung mga employers natin sa mga may mga required magpasa, no, ng ITR. Gawin nyo na po ito, no? Hindi po ito gawain ng accounting department ng inyong kumpanya para ipasa po ang inyong mga personal na income tax returns. Okay? So, lahat po nung may mga businesses, separate businesses, especially kapag general partnership yan, na GPP, no? GPP, sole proprietorship, or meron ka na-receive na income, professional fee, incentive, or other kind of income na withholdan, required ka na pong mag-file ng iyong separate income tax return. Okay, paano gagawin? Kapag binigyan ka ng employer mo ng 2316, i-consolidate mo po yan, no? I-consolidate mo, then once consolidated, i-file mo po yan sa Bureau of Internal Revenue. Alright? So, yun lang, and sana mag-enjoy tayo, no? Mag-enjoy tayo mag-compute ng ating mga income. Kasi, makikita natin dyan, it's something na marirealize mo how much ba yung talagang kinita mo for the taxable year ending December 31, 2021. Alright? So, tingnan din natin kung may lumabas na tax due. Kung may tax due po, wag na pong piliting i-drawing yung amounts, no? Kung may lumabas na tax due, bayaran na po yan. Kailangan po yan ng gobyerno. Alright? Alright, sige. Thank you. Pakilike naman po ang ating Facebook page. Palike din po and pa-subscribe, no? Ang ating YouTube channel. Pa-visit din po ang aming website, no? wherein you can ask questions. We are offering free consultations. And yeah, sige, let's meet some other time and pag-usapan natin ang iyong mga problema. Sa tax, problema sa SEC, yeah, pag-usapan natin yan lahat. Alright, ingat!